WhatsApp stores important chats and media, and losing them can be frustrating. If you need to recover or transfer messages, extracting WhatsApp data from an iPhone backup is essential. In this video, we'll show you easy ways to access and recover WhatsApp chats. Part 1. Restore WhatsApp chat in iPhone from iCloud backup. Open your iPhone and go to Settings. Tap on your name at the top, then select iCloud. Scroll down and ensure that WhatsApp is enabled for backup. Delete WhatsApp from your iPhone. Don't worry, your messages are safe in the iCloud backup. Reinstall WhatsApp from the App Store. Open WhatsApp and verify your phone number. When prompted, tap Restore Chat History. Wait for the restoration process to complete. Part 2. Extract iPhone WhatsApp messages from iTunes backup selectively. Mobican WhatsApp Recovery for iOS is a powerful tool designed to help you recover lost or deleted WhatsApp messages directly from your iTunes backup. This software allows you to extract and preview your WhatsApp chats, media. Step 1. Install and launch the software. Download and install Mobican WhatsApp Recovery for iOS on your computer. Launch the program and select the Recover from iTunes Backup file option. Choose the relevant iTunes backup that contains the WhatsApp data you want to extract and click Start Scan. Step 2. Scan the iTunes backup. Tick off the WhatsApp and WhatsApp attachments that contains the WhatsApp data you want to extract and click Start Scan. Step 3. Extract and save WhatsApp messages. Once the scan completes, preview your WhatsApp data and select the messages you wish to extract. Click Recover to Computer to save the messages to your computer. Part 3. Export WhatsApp chat history from iPhone via email. Open WhatsApp and the chat you want to save. Tap the contact or group name, scroll down, and select Export Chat. Choose Attach Media or Without Media, then tap the mail icon, enter your email, and send. Part 4. Download iPhone WhatsApp messages from WhatsApp Web Backup. Open web.whatsapp.com in your browser and scan the QR code with your WhatsApp app. Open the chat you want to save, copy text or take screenshots, and right-click Media to save as.